Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to Talk Basha. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will be discussing about the situations of Samuel Umtiti, our Danish striker Martin Braithwaite, our Bosnian midfielder Miralem Pjanic, and also the jersey situation of Aguero and who is going to wear the number 10 jersey. All coming up in today's video. So sit back and relax and come on, let's get on with it. Now moving on to the situation of Samuel Umtiti, his situation is very strange. The club wants to sell him, but he desperately wants to stay. And now the club are so desperate to get him off the books that the club is ready to unilaterally terminate his contract if he does not accept any proposals to leave. And right now, he has less than a week to accept any proposal from any club or to find a new club. And I can't emphasize more, and I have said it previously, he needs to leave. Deep down, he knows his future is no longer at Football Club Barcelona, and given our financial situation, the club wants him to leave. He was a solid centre-back when he was brought for 25 million from Lyon in the year 2016. He had two great seasons with the club, but after he injured his knee in 2018, his situation could have been solved if he would have undergone surgery, but he opted for a conservative treatment in order to play for the World Cup, and he did win the World Cup. But after that, we never saw the Samuel Umtiti we all wanted to see. He was either out injured or was benched, and right now the situation has reached a breaking point between him and the club. We have to wait and see how the club and the player deals with the situation. He's still under contract until 2023, and whether the club terminates his contract, we will get to know about it within a week. And to be honest, the major problem with the club is Umtiti's high wages. Only time will tell which club can really afford to pay Umtiti's high wages. And I think this is the best move for both parties. If Umtiti really feels he's in the best physical state, he should move on to a different club and start a fresh chapter somewhere else. Now moving on to our Danish striker, Martin Braithwaite, who started the season in a brilliant fashion, scoring twice and providing an assist. But the club also wanted to sell him. During our pre-season, there were reports that a foreign club was ready to pay around 15 million, but Braithwaite opted against it, as he wanted to fight for his place and wants to convince Ronald Koeman that he has a place in the starting 11. Couple of days ago, according to Spanish newspaper Mundo Deportivo, Braithwaite was very hurt by the constant leaks and the club's attempt to push him out. He also didn't like that they took away his number either. He will ask for a renewal, and if not, the only way he will leave if the club lets him go for free. Few days ago, he did post on social media that some people like to talk, I do my talking on the pitch. And yes, in the first match of our season, he did do the talking on the pitch. And it looks like he is going to stay, as we no longer have Lionel Messi, Sergio Aguero, Ousmane Dembele, all are out injured. Even Ansu Fati is aiming to be back at the start of September. Given our options in the forward line, we are a little light over there. And with our financial situation, it looks like we won't be able to buy anyone. And I think keeping Braithwaite might be the best option as of right now. He is someone who can play on the wings as well as a number 9. He has speed, his physicality is good, and given his time at the club, we cannot question his professionalism, attitude and dedication. He has always tried to give his best to the club, and he also wants to stay. And if he can manage to give performances like he gave in our first match day, it will be great for us and also for our team. Now moving on to our 31-year-old midfielder, Miralem Pjanic, who to be honest is not on Ronald Koeman's plan. He is way down the pecking order behind our La Masia talents, Nico, Gavi and also behind Riqui Puig. And Pjanic right now wants to move to his former club Juventus. But Juventus have bought Manuel Locatelli on a 2-year loan. Pjanic's deal has pretty much stalled right now. There have been reports linking him to Inter Milan and also Roma. His situation is pretty much similar to Samuel Umtiti. The club wants to get him out of their wage bill. Pjanic in the previous season also explained the disappointment in interviews about Ronald Koeman not playing him much. His situation is very peculiar. In the start of the previous season, he was playing good, having some good cameos. But suddenly, he did have some poor performances and was frozen out completely in the second half of the season. There is still time left in the transfer market and we have to wait and see. Will he stay or will he move to another club? Now moving on to our jersey numbers, Sergio Aguero has officially confirmed in social media that he will not be wearing the number 10. Instead, he will be wearing the number 19. Previously, PK was asked about the number 10 and he replied that he has said it to Sergio Aguero. But right now it seems like Sergio Aguero have ignored his comments and he has chosen a new jersey number for him. And right now, as per several reports, if Coutinho ends up staying in Barcelona, he will be wearing the number 10 because his previous number has been taken by Remanaj, the number 14. To be honest, if it wasn't for the La Liga's guidelines, which states that the first team players are only allowed to choose jersey numbers from 1 to 25, with goalkeepers only allowed to choose between 1, 13 and 25, I think the number might have been kept aside or maybe even retired. But as of right now, somebody has to take it. It will be very strange to see the number 10 on the back of someone else but we will get to know about it in the next few days. Who is going to wear that precious number? So that is it for today's video, guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below of what do you think about the Umtiti and Miriam Pjanic situation. Will they end up staying or will they move somewhere else? Is keeping Braithwaite a good option? And what do you think about the number 10 situation? Is Coutinho the right choice or should it be given to someone else? Up till then, don't forget to like, share, comment and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.